Hello students, now here we are starting with the comparing quantities, some new topics. First of all, we'll try to find out the percent of a number. How to find out the percent of a given number? 70%, this is just an example. 70%, this means 70 out of 100. 100, from the 100 we calculate. So has 70% of a number, any number. If we suppose for 100, then we calculate 70% of 100, and this we calculate in the form, this percent sign changes into upon 100, of converts into multiplication sign 100, and then we cancel out. This is 70% of 100 is 70. Now if we suppose to find out the 70% of any other number, for example, when you are giving the paper out of 80, then how much you have if you calculate the 70% of 80? 70% of 80. So how to calculate this? This we convert into 100 into 80. Now you can see that the 20 cancel by the 20, and 7 into 8, 56. So 56 is the 70% of 80. That is, you have got 70% marks. This means that out of 80 you have got 56 number. In the same way we calculate the other one. For example, 30%. 30% of, suppose you have to calculate for 50. 30% of 50. So how to calculate? Again, this percent sign changes into upon 100 into 50. 0 cancels, 3 5s are 15. So 30% of 50 is 15. So this way we calculate the percent. Now percentage increase and decrease, it is added to the original value. Increase is added and decrease is subtracted. Increase in percent, for example, if the price increases by 10%, then 10% is increased to the original price. Suppose 1 kg potato, we take this example, 1 kg of potato is worth rupees 40. Now 10% increases, the price increases by 10%, then this will be equal to, new price will be 40, the original value, plus the 10% increase. One into 4, 4. That is 40 plus 4. If the price increases 10%, then the new price of the potato will be of 44 rupees. This is how we calculate the increase in the values, increase percent. When the price or something increases, then we add, and there is reduction, then we subtract. Wherever there is reduction in the value, there instead of adding we have to subtract to find out the original value. Another important topic is discount, and discount is very much familiar to our daily life, especially in the festive seasons. Just now in the Diwali and Dashera, you must have seen in the market that discount given is 50% on shoes, discount given is 10% or 20% on the sweets, discount given on the shirts and all the dress material. They are giving us the discount. Even when we go to the shop, we find that the price is this and they are giving us 10% or 20% discount. हमें डिस्काउंट देते हैं and we get the same object, the same thing in the reduced price. हमें कम कीमत में मिल जाती है वो चीज़ें. So how to calculate and find out the discount? For this you have to understand the thing that market price. The market price is that price which is written on the object. जो उस ऑब्जेक्ट की कीमत होती है, जो उस ऑब्जेक्ट पर लिखा रहता है. इन द बॉक्सेस, शू बॉक्सेस और एनी अदर बॉक्सेस, ड्रेस मटेरियल बॉक्सेस और एनी अदर बॉक्सेस, टीवी बॉक्स, फ्रिज बॉक्स or whatever you want to buy, when you take that you will just see that the price is written MRP, maximum retail price. This is written on the box. They are generally written in all the type of the items. So when these things are given, you just see that MRP is given. MRP suppose 400 is there, and then they are giving us the discount और डिस्काउंट देते हैं. डिस्काउंट इज सपोज 20% डिस्काउंट. The discount is calculated on this market price. Whatever price is written in that object, in that article, that is said to be the market price. That on that market price the discount is given. उस मार्केट प्राइस पर ही डिस्काउंट देते हैं. And that discount is calculated on that and is subtracted, और वो उस कीमत में से subtract होती है. For example, suppose the market price is 400 and 20% discount is given. Then the price on which it will be sold is the selling price, and this selling price is the market price minus the discount. जो डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है उसको कम करके देते हैं. मार्केट प्राइस इज 400 and the discount given is 20% of 400. 20 upon 100 into 400. 2 4 is 80. Now you can see that 80 rupees they will be reducing, and on this 80 rupees when they reduce, then the price will be 320. So when you want to buy, the price was 400 rupees, and now after the discount of 20% you are getting वर्थ रुपीज़ 320. आपको वही चीज़ 320 रुपीज़ में मिलेगी. एंड सो यू आर गेटिंग दैट, यू आर गेटिंग इन ए लेस प्राइस. कम कीमत पे आपको मिल जाती है. एंड यू बिकम वेरी मच हैप्पी कि हमने तो कम कीमत पे, इसमें इतनी कीमत लिखी थी एंड वी हैव गॉट फॉर लेस प्राइस. So this is how the discount is given. Now in my next video I'll tell you some more example of this discount and sales that are given in the market. Thanks.